नासिक इज इन लेवल 3 लाइक मुंबई, तो आज से 4 बजे तक ओपन रहेगा सब कुछ।
बराबर है।
हाँ,
ये
तो
बहुत है, 4 बजे सुबह 7 से 4 इज इनफ टाइम।
हाँ, इनफ टाइम। हाँ,
अपने को भी क्या है, अभी टाइम चेंज कर देने का, ऑफिस का भी क्या है जल्दी कर देने का, 9 से या 8 से 4 कर दो।
बराबर,
क्या है, जल्दी सो जाओ और जल्दी उठ के आ जाओ, और क्या है।
क्या जाए।
yes, yes. Sir, we have already done this since last lockdown.
हम्म,
हम 8:30 बजे ऑफिस शुरू करते हैं अभी,
हम्म।
और
वही बेस्ट
जल्दी
है
उठ रहे
एक्चुअली, मुझे लगता है
हाँ,
वही बेस्ट है अंडर द सर्कमटेंसेस।
हाँ।
पूरा प्लानिंग चेंज हो गया अभी ये पैंडेमिक की वजह से। हर एक की सिचुएशन अलग, हर एक का पैरामीटर अलग।
ठीक है
गुड
ना,
मॉर्निंग मनीष सर।
तो समय के हिसाब से चलना ही पड़ेगा।
हाँ वो तो है सर, वो तो है।
अभी वो बोलेगा तो अपने को क्या है, अभी 4 बजे तक तो 4 बजे तक जो मिला
हाँ
उसको करो।
सही है।
सही। अभी मिल तो रहा है सर, 17 को आज आज भी मिला नहीं है। ऐसा है, 17 आज भी लॉकडाउन ही है। शायद मेरे हिसाब से अगले हफ्ते तक रहेगा।
मुझे लगता है देखो
बिल्कुल।
नेक्स्ट मंडे को खोल देगा वो।
हाँ, आज थोड़ा क्या हुआ है, जो इसेंशियल सर्विसेज है वो आज चालू हो गए हैं, अदर देन कुछ चालू नहीं हुआ।
मुझे लग रहा है ना, ये देखो 20-21 तारीख तक है ना, सब कुछ नॉर्मल कर देगा एक बार।
बराबर।
क्योंकि पहले क्या बोला था, 15 तारीख तक कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, फिर धीरे धीरे जिस हिसाब से एक एक बोल रहा
हो रहा
है।
है।
अभी रेस्टोरेंट वगैरह भी खोल दिया, मतलब खाली मॉल और थिएटर छोड़ के मोटा मोटी सब चालू कर दिया।
बराबर।
तो पीयूष अपने इधर क्या कर रहे हैं, अभी रीडिंग रूम चालू कर दे रहे हैं कि नहीं बच्चों के लिए?
सर अभी शायद कर सकते हैं रीडिंग रूम चालू हम लोग 50% कैपेसिटी के साथ में।
50% कैपेसिटी और अप टू 4 o'clock 7 से 4 चालू कर दो ना बच्चों के लिए।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, करवा देते हैं सर। आज ही हम लोग
हाँ,
डिस्कस
तो क्या
करके
है,
करवा
बच्चों
देते हैं।
को करवा दो तो।
यस सर।
तो क्या
एग्जाम भी है तो
इंक्रीज
फायदा हो
कैसे होगी?
जाएगा। हाँ, एग्जाम भी है तो उसका फायदा हो जाएगा तुरंत उनको।
यस 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 बिल्कुल।
अभी कल डेट्स भी आ गए ना एग्जाम के।
यस, फाइनल तो 5 तारीख से है।
हाँ।
दरवाजा लगाओ, दरवाजा। धवल जी स्विच ऑफ, तो आपका वीडियो स्विच ऑन करो। सर आई थिंक वी कैन स्टार्ट नाउ।
अभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने ज्वाइन नहीं किया ना, लेकिन बच्चे लोग आ गए क्या?
सर वी आर ऑन यूट्यूब।
ओके, चालू करना चाहिए फिर, इट विल स्टार्ट ऑन टाइम।
क्योंकि 10 बजे से कॉस्टिंग का सेशन चालू होने वाला है, तब उससे पहले वी कैन।
बिल्कुल चालू करते हैं।
Yes, sir. So, good morning, all the students, and welcome back. This we are relaunching this super quick revision series. Last time बहुत सारे students ने उसको अच्छा response दिया था. We are also this time also we are getting very great response. Approximately 3,000 students we have crossed registrations. Approximately 3,000. I sincerely thanks Piyush ji, Mukesh Malani ji, Dhaval Kothari ji, and all other branches of Vikasa chairman and Sikasa chairman for joining and supporting this initiative. Also, I would like to mention support of Atul Agarwal, past Sikasa chairperson, and Nitish Moore, sorry, past EIRC chairman for giving support. And now I request CA Jeevan Jagtap sir, branch chairman, to give his opening remarks.
Good morning. Good morning to one and all gathered here on this wonderful quick revision series. I would like to welcome to our favorite chairman of WRC of ICAI, Manish Gadia sir, and all mentors contribution for lectures and all students present here on behalf of Satara Vikasa branch, Kolhapur, Dhule, Ichalkaranji, Sangli, Kalyan Dombivli, Pimpri Chinchwad, Thane, Ratnagiri, Nashik, Latur, Navi Mumbai branch of Vikasa, and Lucknow, Jodhpur, Sikasa of ICAI. Thanks, Rishikesh, to giving me this golden opportunity. Over to Rishikesh. Rishikesh.
Yes, thank you very much. Now I request our dynamic chairman of WIRC, CA Manish Gadia sir, and who is also expert in GST sector. So अगर आपको कुछ भी query हो GST के बारे में, so you can really reach out to him. He is very dynamic person. कभी तो हम उनका सेशन भी रख सकते हैं. So now I request CA Manish sir to please guide the students.
Good morning, student, and I thank all the branches in Vikasa, Sikasa, and CIRC Student Association. It's really great that you all came together to disseminate knowledge with the student. And this is the last minute revision series is really, really very important. The exam dates are announced, and the way the government has started unlock at various stages, it seems that there will not be any extension, and definitely the exam are going to held from 5th of July. So you should start preparing for the same, and once you decided कि I want to clear exam in this attempt, so it's not so difficult because you have got extended period also for the preparation, and apart from that, this dedication if you show, then definitely I am sure that at least 10 participants, 10 students who are attending this LMR series will at least get rank. So show to your dedication and start preparing hard and give the best result. Thank you very much and all the best to all the students. Over to you, Rishikesh.
Thank you very much, Manish sir. If you can elaborate few points about direct tax refresher course, that will be also grateful. जो बच्चे अभी एग्जाम नहीं दे रहे, at least they can get idea about that.
Correct. So WIRC Vikasa, along with all 35 branches of Vikasa in the region, first time we are coming together and holding some program for the student. And from 8th June, that is tomorrow, we are launching a direct tax refresher course for student. It will be from 8th June till 6th July. And we have got overwhelming response. More than 2,500 students have already registered. It is totally free of cost for the student. And this kind of courses, in my view, students should attend, where it will not help you in your exam, but you will also get a practical experience of how to file return, what is the nuances in the direct tax, and all these kind of things which you may not be getting practically in your office. So it's one of the unique program, and you all should attend and enroll at the earliest before we will close the registration. So thank you very much. Over to you, Rishikesh.
Thank you very much for your wonderful opening remarks, insightful remarks, and also guiding about our DTRC course. Now I request Piyush Chandak ji. He is the very supporting and very cooperative person. Because of him, we are doing this series. I request Piyush sir to your brief remarks, sir.
Thank you, Rishikesh, for the opportunity. And it is not just because of me, it is because of you only we are doing it. Because always, sir, from the day one, Manish sir must have noticed that from the day one, sir, we took the charge. We found Rishikesh very helpful in all our activities. And in fact, I should mention all the branches, around 15 branches, sir, we are doing so many activities together in Vikasa that just because the unconditional support from all the Vikasa chairman, they just are a message away. We can say not just a phone call. It is just a message away. Just we just ask them, do you want to join this activity? They just put a thumbs up, and this is how the synergy and the collaboration is helping the students a lot, because we are getting very good responses from the students that the programs are being all the programs which we are conducting are being good, and they are helping all the students. And again, about this program, the last minute revision series we were planning since the first date of examination was around May, when we were planning for this series from that day only. and we just kept it aside because the exams were postponed. And as soon as we got the new dates, we were again active on this part. And this is the day we are starting this. And thanks Rishikesh for the wholehearted support. And wish you all the best, all the students who are appearing for the exams. And also, we would like to mention at Nashik, sir, we are arranging a vaccination camp for students. It will be on a paid basis. We are collecting the data on today and tomorrow, and we will be asking. We have already applied for the permission from the municipal corporation. Once we get the permission, the camp will be conducted for the students first on priority, and later for the members. This is how we are going. And I'll also request all other Vikasa chairman to try this at their own location as per the rules and policies of the local authorities. Thank you, Rishikesh. Over to you.
Thank you very much. Now I will give you some brief idea about this course, about today's sessions. Today we are starting with CA final costing session and CA intermediate law session. Both sessions will be beginning at 10 a.m. So CA final costing session will be conducted in this room itself. And for CA intermediate law session, link has been already provided to you. So be ready with that. Speakers will be joining soon. So with this, Umesh sir, are you there?
Yes.
Umesh sir, please give your remarks, please.
Thank you, Rishikesh sir and Piyush sir. It's as you Piyush sir and you said, it is a synergy effect, and we are trying to give maximum benefit to the students. And thank you for involving Sangli branch in this session. And already I requested to all students to join this session. I also circulated this direct test course details to students, and the students will definitely join and take maximum benefit, sir. Thank you, Rishikesh sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, all the dignitaries. With this brief introduction, now I request all the students, अगर आपको कुछ सवाल हो तो please unmute करके पूछ लो. Otherwise, we will wind up this session. And I also welcome all the viewers watching on the YouTube. Francisca, P. Kashyap, Jyoti ji, good morning to all. So if you have any questions, please put it in the chat box or in the live chat box in the YouTube. Good morning, Veena ji. Okay, I think
I guess there are no questions. So I think we should move forward.
Yes. I think we can end this broadcast right now because next session will start in 10 minutes. Manish ji, I will share that link in the DTRC. हमारा Telegram group में I will share the link of DTRC along with brochure. Sir, we can conclude now.
Okay, Rishikesh ji. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye. Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
All the best.
Thank you, Umesh sir. Thank you, Manish sir. Jivan sir.
Okay, welcome, sir.